A heating and cooling system that runs with jumpers but not through the thermostat usually means the thermostat face or its base is not completing the control circuit. When a jumper makes the system operate, the thermostat is being bypassed, so the issue is with the thermostat or the wiring at its base rather than the furnace or air handler. Start by turning power off at the breaker and removing the thermostat face to inspect the base for broken wires, corroded contacts, or loose terminal screws. If the base has a low voltage circuit board, look for discolored or cracked traces and smell for any burned components which indicate a failed board. Replacing the base is typically faster and more reliable than attempting complex board repairs. Test continuity with a multimeter across the call for heat circuit at the thermostat base, while someone momentarily applies power at the system end to confirm whether the control signal is transmitting through the wall conductors. If you find intermittent continuity, pull the wire back at both ends and strip fresh conductor to get a clean contact and reterminate with proper screw or push connectors. Avoid twisting multiple conductors under one terminal. For smart or programmable thermostats that appear dead when mounted but operate on the bench, check the battery and whether the thermostat requires a common conductor for power. If the home lacks that common conductor, add a common wire or install a compatible power adapter kit to prevent the thermostat from failing to power its internal relays. Common mistakes include assuming the control board at the furnace is bad when jumpers run the system. Verify at the thermostat base first, because the fix is often replacing or repairing the thermostat base or face. People also replace the entire thermostat without checking the wiring or base contacts. Remove the face and inspect connections before buying a new unit to avoid unnecessary cost. Another frequent issue is mistaking a weak or missing common conductor for a faulty thermostat face in modern digital units. Test for 24-volt power at the thermostat terminals and, if missing, either pull a common wire or fit a power module so the thermostat will function reliably. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare who is available for heating and cooling repair based on service area and ratings. We connect contractors with work opportunities and host a discussion community where we and other members share troubleshooting tips and project experiences.